So how can you transfer a PDF book to the iPad? Let's get started. If you are new to the Foxtecc YouTube channel, most definitely subscribe to it, as I have so many tutorials which you are going to find useful. So go ahead and do that and we can begin. So at first, we need to know where the PDF is. In a lot of cases, the PDF is already stored on your iPad and you would just want to move it over to the Books application, which is completely possible. All you have to do is just to locate it within the Files app and just hold down on it for more things to appear. We then just click on the share button, right? Because we just want to sort of export it from the Files app and move it to the Books app. So from the options which appear, we're going to scroll all the way to the end, tap on more, and Books should appear to be part of the apps right here. And as you can see, when we do that, the PDF book or whatever the PDF file is going to be added to our library in here. So that's very useful. In fact, right here, you can add as many PDFs or books directly from the Files app. Obviously, if you don't have the file on your iPad just yet, it might be on a computer or somewhere else. Well, at first you need to bring it over to the iPad somehow. So if you have a Mac, you can use AirDrop, or you can upload it to the Google Drive, or I don't know, send it over email, whatever works. But once you move it in here into the Files app, you know what you need to do to get it over to the Books app. And that's how you can basically do this. Now, let me know what you think about that below in the comments. I really appreciate your support. Hit the thumbs up if it worked for you, and I'll see you in the next tutorials as well.